Level 3. Let's pretend. Yippee! Listen. What's that? It's a duck. Let's quack like a duck. Ooh, did you hear that? That's a lion. Can you roar like that? Roar! A is for apple. Apples go crunch. Let's eat an apple. Crunch, crunch, crunch. B is for bird. Birds love to sing. Sing like a bird. Tweet, tweet, tweet. C is for cat. The cat says meow. Meow like a cat. Meow. Peekaboo, I love you. I love you, I love you. You make the world so bright. Morning, noon, and night. This is the way we wash our hands, wash our hands, wash our hands. This is the way we wash our hands until they're squeaky clean. Let's pretend to wave to a friend. I'm hungry. Is it snack time? What should we pretend to eat? How about something sweet? Time to fill our tummies with something really yummy. Let's have a snack. Stomp your feet like an elephant. Walk like an elephant, stomp, stomp, stomp. Bounce like a kangaroo, hop, hop, hop. Swing like a monkey in a tree. Move like the animals that you see. It's fun to pretend. Let's hop like a bunny.